Welcome to the Fat Tech Inside. How to recover deleted files. It is actually happening most of the time that you deleted the file permanently and just to realize that you needed it back. It is not as easy as deleting a file and can easily be restored from the recycle bin. Most of us think that once it is permanently deleted, there will be no way to recover it. I know that it feels frustrating, but let me help you with this issue. Here are some ways on how to recover your permanently deleted files. Method number 1. We will be using the software Recuva. I provided you the link on the description below on where you can download it. Copy the link. Then open your browser. Paste the link in the search box. And then download the file. You will see the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the Recuva installer. Then press Install. Sometimes after installing, there is an option where you should choose if you want to reboot later or restart now. For me, I chose reboot later. But sometimes they require rebooting or restarting the system in order to use the software perfectly. Now, we can see the Recuva software in the desktop. I already inserted one of my flash drive where we will perform the recovery. As you can see, it is totally empty. Let's start to try recovering the deleted files. Double-click the Recuva software. Click Next. You can choose what specific type of files you are trying to recover. Is it a picture, music, documents, video, compress files, or emails? Or you can choose all files. Then click Next. Here, Recuva will ask you where were the files stored before it was deleted. Is it in your media card, iPad, documents folder, or in the recycle bin? For me, I will try to retrieve the file in my flash drive. Choose in a specific location. Then click Browse. Choose your desired location or drive on where you want to do the scanning of files. Click OK. Then click Next. You can tick the Enable Deep Scan if your previous scans have failed. Then now you can click Start. It will start scanning and will show the scanned files that were stored and deleted in the removable drive. Each file is flagged with a red, yellow, or green light, indicating whether the file is recoverable, somehow not recoverable, or has been deleted forever. Now tick the files you want to recover. Note that if you are trying to recover pictures, you can preview it by pressing Switch to Advanced Mode. Click the file name that consists a picture and it will show in preview. After ticking the files, you can now press Recover. Select the location for recovery. I will save it on my desktop and will make a new folder. Then click OK to start the recovery. Then click OK. Close the Recuva software. Now let us check if the files have been recovered perfectly. Done. Method number 2. We will be using the disk drill software. I provided you also the link on the description below. Copy the link. Then open your browser. Paste the link in the search box. And then download the file. In your Downloads folder, double-click the disk drill installer. Then press Install. Then close. Now, we can see the disk drill software by Clever Files in the desktop. I inserted again the flash drive where we will perform the recovery. Double-click the disk drill software. In the data recovery section, you will see the drives you have in your system. For me, I have my removable flash drive and my system hard drive. I will go in the flash drive device. Then click Search for lost data to start the scan. Note that scanning in disk drill is sometimes longer than what you think, as it is really scanning through your drive. Once the scan is finished, you will see how many scanned permanently deleted files it has. You can press the Review Found items to know exactly what files that has been found. In the Found Files section, you can see all the files found. Tick all the files you want to recover. Then click Recover. It will ask you where you want to restore the files. For me, I'll go again in Desktop and make a new folder. Then press OK. Now, your recovery is finished, and you can close the software. Let us check if everything went well. Done. Files has been restored. I hope these 2 ways helped you. For any questions or clarifications with regards this video, you can comment down, and I will try to answer your queries. If you have any technical problems, or graphic-related queries, you can email me at the.fat.tech.inside@gmail.com. Or you can comment it down. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more technical problem-solving issues. Thank you for watching.